Most iPhone users believe that once they turn off an app permission, the job is done. But that's not entirely true. There's a hidden button in your iPhone that almost 99% of users don't know about. And when you press it, it quietly resets all the location and privacy permissions your phone has been collecting over time. If you've used camera apps, maps, social media apps, or even apps you deleted long ago, some of their permission traces can still remain inside the system. The issue isn't the permissions you see in settings. It's the old ones you don't see anymore. That's exactly why Apple included a powerful but hidden option that resets all location settings and app privacy permissions without deleting your data, photos, files, or apps. To find it, open Settings, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and then choose Reset Location and Privacy. This does not format your phone or erase anything. It simply makes your iPhone start fresh when it comes to permissions. After this, every app will ask for permission again the next time you open it, which is completely normal and actually works in your favor. This cleanup helps remove forgotten permissions, leftover settings from deleted apps, and changes caused by system updates. You may not notice an instant difference, but you'll gain better control, clearer permission requests, and more confidence that your phone is truly working for you. If this was new information for you, this video was made for you. Like it, share it with others, tell me in the comments if you already knew about this setting, and subscribe because the next videos cover everyday features people use without really understanding.